In this video, we're going to talk about how you can deposit money into your IC Markets account. The first thing that you have to do is create an account and then apply for a real or live account here from the Verify Your Account section. You will need to go through some questions, personal questions, as well as assessment questions, and they will decide whether you are fit to be a trader. After you have applied for and gotten your live account with IC Markets, then from the left hand side you will see the deposit section here. You will simply click on deposit, and then it is going to ask you for the deposit method. You can use Visa card, and then you will just go through the prompts. But like I said, in order to unlock this page, you will need to apply for and get accepted for a live account with IC Markets. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.